For sale. A beautiful manor house. Located in Edgeworth, Gloucestershire, England. It offers 9 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Edgeworth Manor is a substantial country estate set within approximately 56 acres in the heart of the Cotswolds, in an area of outstanding natural beauty. This historic manor combines privacy, scale, and modern convenience, all within easy reach of London. The main house offers extensive accommodation across 4 floors. The estate includes a coach house, North Lodge, and keeper's cottage. Additional amenities include an indoor swimming pool, orangery, chapel, stables, tack room, greenhouse, and extensive outbuildings for vehicles and equipment. The grounds feature formal gardens, a walled kitchen garden, lawn terraces, woodland, meadows, a lake, and a summer house, creating a private and self-sufficient rural estate of rare scale and setting. The asking price of this beautiful manor house estate is £11 million. Edgeworth Manor offers a rare combination of historical character, expansive grounds, and modern amenities. An ideal retreat for those seeking privacy, elegance, and timeless English countryside living. Thank you for watching.